Welcome to your journey towards better health. Today, we're talking about boosting your HDL cholesterol levels with 8 proven strategies. HDL cholesterol is the so-called good cholesterol. It reduces heart disease risk by helping remove bad cholesterol from your body. First strategy, adopt a healthy diet. Foods like olive oil, fatty fish, nuts, and avocados are loaded with healthy fats that can increase your HDL levels. Remember, diet is key. The foods you eat have a significant impact on your HDL cholesterol levels. Strategy 2. Physical exercise. Regularly exercising can significantly improve your HDL cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate aerobic activity on most days of the week. Physical activity is equally important. It's not just about losing weight, but also about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Third strategy, reduce sugar intake. Sugar contributes to low HDL levels. Cut back on sugar-sweetened beverages and processed foods. Avoiding sugar is another crucial step. Sugar can sabotage your efforts to raise HDL levels. Fourth strategy, quit smoking. Smoking decreases HDL levels and increases LDL cholesterol. By quitting, you can significantly improve your cholesterol profile. Smoking cessation is a must. It's one of the most effective measures to increase HDL cholesterol. Strategy number 5, limit alcohol intake. While moderate alcohol use can boost HDL levels, excessive drinking can lower them and bring other health issues. Moderating alcohol use is a balancing act. It's all about finding that sweet spot where the benefits outweigh the harms. The sixth strategy, increase soluble fiber. Foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are high in soluble fiber, which can boost your HDL cholesterol. Increasing your fiber intake can be as simple as incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Seventh strategy, lose excess weight. Even small amounts of weight loss can help raise your HDL levels while reducing your LDL cholesterol. Don't underestimate the power of losing weight. It can have a significant impact on your HDL levels. The eighth and final strategy, use medication if necessary. If lifestyle changes aren't enough, certain medications can help raise HDL levels. Medication is sometimes necessary. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any medication regime. These strategies aren't just about increasing your HDL cholesterol, they're about improving your overall health. These strategies are not magic bullets. They require commitment, dedication, and consistency. It's not just about the numbers on a cholesterol test. It's about your longevity, your quality of life, and your overall well-being. Every step you take towards boosting your HDL cholesterol is a step towards a healthier and happier you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos. Remember, your health is your wealth. Investing in it now will pay dividends in the future.